In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to best use the HubSpot Sales CRM tool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your pipeline, keep contacts organized, stay on top of follow-ups, and use automation and reporting to close more deals with less effort. Start by building a clear sales pipeline in sales, then deals. Create simple, meaningful stages like new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed won or lost. Keep it lean so everyone understands where a deal belongs at a glance. Make a habit of moving deals forward as conversations progress. This keeps your pipeline accurate and helps you see what needs attention today. Next, organize your contacts in contacts. Use lists or tags to group people, such as leads, clients, or cold prospects. Add custom properties like budget or interest so you can filter quickly. Every record should have an email, a source such as social or your website, and a status. Consistent data makes your reports reliable and your outreach targeted. Send emails directly from a contact's profile and save time with templates for follow-ups, introductions, and proposals. Turn on tracking so you can see opens and clicks. If someone is engaging, that's your cue to prioritize them with a timely reply or a call. To make sure nothing slips, use tasks. After every call, email, or meeting, create a task with a clear due date. Follow the simple rule: no lead is left without a next step. This keeps momentum strong and reduces the mental load of remembering who needs what. Automate the busy work in automation, then workflows. Set up flows to assign new leads, send welcome emails, and schedule follow-ups. A common sequence is new lead arrives, an automatic email goes out, the lead is assigned to you, and a task is created so you respond promptly. Test each workflow so timing and ownership are correct. Log your calls and add notes right on the contact record. Capture what was discussed and what happens next. These details help you remember context and personalize future messages. Use reports, then dashboards to track conversion rate, deals closed, and pipeline value. Look for where leads are dropping off and tighten that stage with a better message or a clearer next action. Keep your process simple. A lead comes in, the contact is added, a deal is created, you send an intro, follow up in 2 to 3 days, and then you close the loop as won or lost. Lean on the activity timeline for each contact to see emails, calls, form submissions, and your notes. Reference these insights to personalize outreach, for example, mentioning a guide they downloaded. Finally, focus on your highest quality leads. Use filters to surface the most engaged contacts, recent